Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while since I made a video, but I thought I might as well just make one, cause why not? So, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a custom icon for your desktop. So as you can see, I have these custom icons right here. I have a custom icon for Discord and a few other things on here, I believe. I'm not going, this one I think is custom. I'm not too sure though, it's been a while since I did all that. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to do it just in case you're struggling, because having custom icons is pretty awesome. It kind of gives a little bit more personality to your desktop. So first thing you're going to do is find an image or create an image if you're able to. Usually you're going to want to use Photoshop or any sort of Photoshop software. I use GIMP because I think it's easy to use and it's free. So definitely suggest GIMP. So what I did is I went and I found a PNG image online of a Discord like art. And so what you're going to want to do is, once you have your image, if it's not PNG, make it into a PNG. And if it already is a PNG, which means that the background isn't there, there's no background, then what you're going to want to do is resize it. So resizing it is pretty simple. You just come here to the size, and usually you're going to want either 128 pixels. Oops, wrong one. It's this one. Here we go. You're going to want 128 pixels or 64 pixels, I think, for icons. Once you do that, you're also going to want to change the size of the canvas. So the canvas size needs to match. So I'm making it 128, but sometimes 64 fits better. So there we go. Now we just need to fit the, or hold on. Actually, a better process would just be to fit canvas to layers. There you go. Boom. That's relatively easy. Then you come up here to your file and you're going to want to export it. So we have our Discord. I'm going to call it new Discord icon. And here's the part that a lot of people don't really understand, is why they can't use why their PNG or their JPEG isn't working. They can't select it as an icon because there's a custom icon file type that you have to use, and that file type is ICO. So not icon, just ICO. And when you save it as ICO, we're going to save that to my pictures so I can easily access it. We're going to export it. It will ask you icon details because it knows that you're trying to export it as an icon type file or an ICO type file. You can change this to whatever or compress it. I'm just going to export it as is, and we're done here. That's it. Discard the changes. We don't need to worry about that. Now that you have that done, that's basically it. Once you want to apply it, you choose whatever thing. I'm going to use one of these barriers over here, or files. You just go here, show more options, properties, customize. You can change the icon from here. Now you're not going to find your icon in here. These are all the base icons that come with Windows. You're going to want to go to Browse. And then right here you can see this one. Ignore these. These are, ignore them. Our custom icon, accept, apply, and now you have it. Now you might have to do a little bit of tweaking. As you can see, this is pretty small. Like, you might want it bigger. There should be ways for you to tweak the icon. Like, if I went back into GIMP right now and I opened up the icon file in there, see how it's small compared to everything else? Oops. What we're going to do is we're going to zoom in a little bit with our view so we can see it a little bit better. So 200%. And what we're going to do is we're going to upscale this to make it fit inside this a little bit better, because you want it to fit inside of the, just barely fit inside of the canvas. So if you've been having trouble with that, this is how you fix that. or create a smaller canvas size. But I'm gonna ignore the fact that it's kind of leaking out just to give you an example. But now that's how big it will appear, because when you look at an icon, right? So these icons here, they go to the edge, like it's on the very last pixel up here, if you know what I'm talking about, right? But this one, it was on the inside, so it's not really utilizing all the space that it can, because icons can only go up to 128 by 128. So if you have 128 pixels by 128 pixels perfectly, it's going to fit inside the icon size limit better. And so, yeah, that's basically how it works. And again, 64 pixel works as well because it is half of 128. But I would recommend using 128 because you'll get more detail in your icons. Anyways, I hope this helped you. If it did, leave a like, comment, or subscribe, you know, whatever they say at the end of these videos, and have a good day.